how to log into the Zara app on iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log into the Zara app on iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to basically log into the Zara application on your iPad, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Zara application that you can find here. And once you launch the Zara app, of course you're going to be able to see this type of interface where if you don't have an account you can go ahead and select that. Now you can select your country and then tap the enter option here. After you do that, you will see the application load up and it will ask you for some cookie permissions, so let me go ahead and then enter that as well. Once done, the very next thing it will ask me is to simply sign into my account, so let me also go ahead and then basically sign into my account here. You can tap the account option from the very bottom. So now you can just go ahead and tap the account option here and make sure to enter your email and your password, and then just tap the login option to log into your Zara account. This way you will be able to log into Zara. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.